Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking to elevate your Forex trading game, then cTrader might just be the platform you need. Known for its advanced charting tools, smooth execution, and customizable interface, cTrader is perfect for traders of all experience levels. Okay, so in this video, we're just going to be looking at how to use cTrader efficiently so that you can make the most of this powerful trading platform. Let us just dive right in. But before we start, be sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more trading tutorials. Okay, now let us start by getting familiar with the cTrader interface. When you first open cTrader, you'll be greeted with a clean and simple layout, right? As you can see right here. And you can see that the layout features the main charts in the center up here, and then if you have any open positions, you can see this is the tab for positions. If you have any open positions, you're going to see it right here. And then you're going to see the order panel. If you have any open orders, you're going to see your orders here. This is for your history, and this is for your price alert. Yeah, if you set any price alert, you can just see that right here, or you can create one if you want something, if a certain condition has been met. Notify me when the ask price is higher than so, or when the bid price is higher than, or when the bid price is lower than, or when the ask price is lower than. You set the value in here, and then you can select whether you want a pop-up and a play sound. Super easy. Okay, and this is for your transactions. This shows your transactions that you've conducted in recent, or well, for the specific time frame that is available. And then here you have your journal, and then this is for algo, right? So you're also going to see at this bottom, you're going to see your balance, you're going to see your equity, you're going to see your used margin. If you are in a trade at the moment, you're going to see the margin that you have used to execute that trade. You're going to see your free margin, your margin level, your smart stop out, and your unrealized net. Okay, your unrealized net profit. All right, this says your unrealized profit and loss after expenses. So that's what you're going to see right here. So you can see that cTrader tries to provide adequate information for traders. Okay, now now that we know how the interface works, let us talk about customizing your cTrader workspace to fit your trading needs. Now, of course, you should know that you can rearrange these windows, right? You can actually rearrange the windows, whichever one you want to come first and all. And then here you can select which assets you want to trade. Whichever asset you select, you can see it's just going to load right there. Okay, let me just deselect all these. Let me cancel them. Okay, so whatever asset you want to trade, you can just select. I can see it's going to be added up there. All right, and you can customize your charts. cTrader allows you to choose between various chart types. Okay, let's just zoom. Let's just maximize this. This is if you want to add another symbol. If you want to add another symbol, you can actually have multiple symbols added here at once. All right, now let's just maximize this. Okay, so right here we can see that we have different options. This is for multi-chart mode, this is for single chart mode. If you want multi-chart mode, you can select that. You can see this here we have different time frames. You can see this is for standard. We have the tick, yeah, we have Renko, we have range, we have Heikin and Shi, right? cTrader provides you a lot of options, right? And then you can see this is if you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom in and you want to zoom out. And then here we can see that you can select your preferred charting settings. If you want bar chart, you can select that. you want candlestick chart, line chart, dot chart, area chart, HLC chart. So whichever one you prefer, you can do that right here. You just select this. Then here, if you want to find an indicator, you want to add an indicator to your chart, you can just click on that, and then select from trend indicators, oscillators, volatility, all of that. And you can also add custom indicators to your chart as well. And this is for trading bots. If you want to find add a new trading bot to your chart, the C bots can just add from here. And then of course here, if you want to remove draw indicators, any indicators from here, or hide on, if you want to remove all indicators, if you want to hide all indicators, you can just come right here and do that. And here is for hiding all your drawings. And here, if you want to save a template or you want to apply a template, right, or apply for new charts, you can do that right here. And then here you can just easily switch your time frames. Here is just for easy changing of your time frames. Whatever time frame you want to trade on, you can just easily swap them right here. Okay, so basically this is very easy. The cTrader is very easy to use. Also, you can customize the color scheme for your chart background and your price and your candlesticks, right? So you can see here the color options. You can see you can actually modify this the coloring. You can decide to whether you want you can decide if you want a white background or red background or whatever color background you want. You can just select that. And then the foreground color, the grid, the period separators, the bull outline, and then your bear outline, your bull fill. If you want to change the color for your bull candle, if you want it to be yellow, well, that's your business. If you want it to be blue, if you want it to be, whatever color you want it to be, you can just easily select that. And then this is for the outline. Yeah, if you want the outline to be black, you can do that. But if you want the outline to be the same color with the fill, that's absolutely your choice as well. So you can basically, according to your taste, you can edit all these colorings, according to your taste. Okay. If you like a more minimalist approach, you can remove unnecessary toolbars and charts from the workspace. All right, making it, more focused on the things that matter most to you. Now, cTrader has the option to save your workspace layout, so you can easily switch between different setups depending on your strategy or preferences. Okay. So you can see here, save template. You can actually save your template. Maybe you have finished doing some modifications on your chart and you want to save the template. You can just come here and you type the name of the template, and of course you just save it. Okay, so that next time if you want to apply that same template, you can just do that without much stress. Or maybe you add another indicator, or you open another chart and you just want to apply the same you open another chart and you want to apply the same template, you can just do that without much stress. Okay, so that is it for making use of the cTrader. It is super easy, right? Navigating the cTrader platform is super easy. If you want to execute trades, you can just click on here, new order. When you click on new order, you can select if you want a market order, which is going to be executed immediately. You can select if you want a limit order, whether it's sell limit or buy limit. You fill in the entry price and the lot size, and all of that. If you want a stop order, whether it's a sell stop or a buy stop. If you want a stop limit order, whether sell stop limit or buy stop limit, just fill in the information accordingly and you are good to go. Okay, so that is it, guys. Now you know how to navigate, customize, and trade with cTrader like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and make sure you subscribe for more Forex tutorials and trading tips. If you got any questions about cTrader or you want to share your trading tips, then just drop them in the comments below. All right, and let us discuss. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.